Hi, this is Chance Bassman, and welcome to the Daily Requirement, a feature of the National Requirer. Today, we're going to go over the hottest headlines in celebrity news for everyone who cares a lot about celebrity. First on the topic, is that a baby bump we see on Benjamin Schaefer? He's been hanging out with Tom Selleck a lot, so let's see what that mustache baby's going to look like. Second on the list, J.P. Roney. Too hot?
Oh yeah.
You decide. The Valpo scandal comes down. Then, Jasper Fashionista, behind bars, picking his nose in public. Is it a problem? You decide. Midas Mulligan, I'm addicted to human food. Then, in other news, Van Gogh, Van Gay. Matt Holman declares in a fit of rage, Van Diesel was bad enough. Oh, well, I guess this really wasn't that scandalous.
Is there a place for us? Is there?
Well, we're gonna leave the scandal to somebody who does it well.
Perez Hilton.